kids! I'm Max the monkey. Let's learn letters A to F with fun animals and yummy things.
Look at the tiny ant. Ants love apples too. A for ant and apple.
Here comes a big bear. Bears love berries. B for bear and berry. Cute little cat is purring. Cats love cream. C for cat and cream. Woof! The dog is happy. Dogs love donuts. D for dog and donut. Wow! A huge elephant is here. Elephants love eggplants. E for elephant and eggplant. Look at the clever fox. Foxes love fish. F for fox and fish.
G is for goat. Goat loves grapes. G for goat and grapes. H is for hen. Hen wears a hat. H for hen and hat.
I is for iguana. Yum! Ice cream. I for iguana and ice cream. A is for jaguar. Jaguar drinks juice. J for jaguar and juice. K is for kangaroo. Fly the kite. K for kangaroo and kite. L is for lion. Lion loves leaves. L for lion and leaf. M is for monkey. Monkey loves mango. M for monkey and mango. N is for nest. Bird in a nest. M for nest and nest bird. O is for owl. Owl has an orange. O for owl and orange. P is for panda. Panda loves pizza. P for panda and pizza. Q is for queen bee. Queen bee wears a crown. Q for queen bee and queen. R is for rabbit. Rainbow is bright. R for rabbit and rainbow. S is for snake. Shiny sun. S for snake and sun.
T is for tiger.
Tall tree.
T for tiger and tree.
Is for umbrella bird. Umbrella is open. U for umbrella bird and umbrella. V is for vanishing frog.
Vroom, van.
V for vanishing frog and van. W is for whale. Splash water. W for whale and water. X is for x-ray fish. Play xylophone. X for x-ray fish and xylophone. Y is for yak. Yo-yo goes up and down. Y for yak and yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Welcome to the zoo. Z for zebra and zoo.
If you want more fun learning videos, like, comment, and subscribe.